Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register green dot card. So let's get started. So here have to follow these easy steps. So first of all, you will just visit the greendot.com/activate or select as register or active now on the app, or you can just call in this number. Okay. Then here you have to put your your name, address, date of birth, then your social security number, then your 16-digit card number, expiration date, 3 digit of security code, and mobile number, and then you can apply. Then your card will be activated successfully. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.